Today we having Rotel, but I'm gonna try it with some buffalo. Babe said try some buffalo in it. Let's see how it tastes. I'm like, alright, look, I'm gonna make it with the cream cheese, the heavy cream, the Velveeta, the tomatoes, the chilies, and then I'm gonna add in just a quarter cup of buffalo. Just to see. We gonna see, but let me do this. This time I remembered to spray my crock pot with pan spray. So first I'm gonna cook my ground round. I don't mean fully cooked, but you know, almost fully cooked. This is 2 pounds of ground round. Okay, so this is a good, I want to say wellness or doneness. I'm gonna drain this and I'm gonna add it to the crock pot. Notice it's not fully cooked, but it'll cook for the rest of the time in the crock pot. It's mostly cooked. Okay, ground round in the crock pot. So to that, I'm gonna add in some garlic powder, onion powder, a little Danos, and a little bit of Tony's. Measuring out my ingredients, I'm going to add in, well, I already poured it, but a quarter cup of red hot buffalo sauce. To that, I'm going to add in, we bought the big block of Velveeta, so I'm going to chop this up, add it to my crock pot, along with an 8-ounce block of cream cheese and some heavy cream. Today we actually have heavy cream and we're not using milk and butter. Block chopped up, and it's going in the crock pot right now. I'm about to chop my 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese, chopped up and going. Now I'm gonna pour in my 1/4 cup of buffalo sauce. We just want to see how it's gonna taste with this. We're gonna eat it regardless, but we'll see. Next, I'm gonna add in my heavy cream, and I'm gonna add it to the one that I had the buffalo sauce in, just to get the rest of that buffalo sauce out. Now the last thing I'm gonna add is my diced green chilies and my diced tomatoes. We bought 2 cans of diced tomatoes. I don't know if I should use both cans. I mean, it is a lot of cheese and stuff in that pot right now, but I might just do 1 can of tomatoes and the 1 can of green chilies, because I only brought 1 can of green chilies. But we'll see. If it looks like it needs more later, I'll add the other can. Now I'm gonna give it a stir so everything is well combined. Now I'm gonna just let this go on low for some hours. I don't know how many hours, but for some hours, and see how it turns out. I'll come back, give it a stir, probably in about 3 hours. It's on low, so probably in about 3 hours I'll come back, give it a stir, and then let it go for the rest of the time. I'll probably do about 6 hours with this. That's probably too long, but who cares? And it is done. I'm gonna give it a taste test. Hold on, let me get a chip. Got my scoop. Yeah, that's gonna be good. Everybody's gonna enjoy that. Bon appetit. But can I talk about how when I first put the crock pot on, it was like 11 something, and I came back and it was like 2 something, and I realized it wasn't even plugged in. So I had to plug it in and put it on high instead of putting it on low like I wanted to, but it still came out really good. So make sure you pay attention, and thank God it was just a dip, because if it was like frozen meat or something, it would have been worse. But bon appetit.